Hello, ISEC in Korea. My name is Sandro Rehansha, and I'm currently the president of ISEC Indonesia. Now I'm speaking to you just to share a little bit thoughts from my side about why specialized unit is a very important strategy and the kind of things that you can gain throughout implementing this strategy specifically. So I think, in my opinion, in the context of 12th, 13th generation of ISECs and on the way to the 13th, 14th of ISEC, we have the visions of the peace and the fulfillment of mankind's potential, and at the same time we have midterm ambitions to achieve more than 1 million unique experiences globally. And I think this requires a different approach, a different way how we do things in order for us to be able to fulfill the promise. And yes, we need to think about what is the simple way, effective way, fastest way, yet very impactful way for us to be able to create such an initiative that could help us to go to those kind of results. And specialized units indeed answer those why, because specialized units is a very simple way that you can use that for you to be able to expand your student markets to reach your promise in achieving goals for ISEC 2015. And if you're curious what you can gain out of this specialized unit, and I'll give you an example of what we did in ISEC Indonesia last year. So we did this, we started this initiative on October, November, around that. And ISEC Indonesia was an entity which consists of 6 local committees, and we have 3-4 official expansions and a very little expansion units. And it only concentrates in one single main island out of 1,000 islands that we have, out of 7 major islands that we have. And through implementing this specialized unit, our local committees start to go to more universities and start building their specialized unit there. And as for today, we already have more than 15 new units expanded in more than 3 islands in Indonesia, going to the kind of place that we've never been before. And there are ISEC there, and they're building ISEC operations specifically focused in GCDP OJEC, and some of them already started as well doing GCDP ISECs. So this is achievable in only 2-3 months preparations up till this second. So this is a very huge amount of benefits that you can have, that you can gain out of this, that could help your entity to grow even bigger, to achieve your promises for ISEC 2015. So this is just an example that we have, and I think ISEC in Korea can do even bigger than this, and can do better than this. So I just really hope you guys can do this specialized unit, do this very goodly, carefully, so you can really build strong foundation for the team and for the specialized unit as well. So I look forward for the stories for ISEC in Korea next year when you're growing based on this strategy. So thank you so much. Bye-bye.